In this video, I will show you the simple steps to enable trade sounds on TradingView so you never miss an execution again. Audio cues are incredibly helpful for traders who need to stay focused without staring at their charts every second. To get started, open your chart and look at the bottom of the screen where the trading panel is located. If you do not see it, simply click on the arrow icon to expand the bottom section. Once the trading panel is open, ensure you are connected to either your paper trading account or a live broker of your choice. Now, navigate to the top right corner of the trading panel area and click on the gear icon to open your trading settings. This will bring up a window with several tabs on the left side. Look for the tab labeled Appearance or Trading and scroll down until you see the sound notification options. You will find checkboxes for different events like order execution, order placement, and order cancellation. Make sure the box next to Play Sound is checked for each action you want to hear. You can even choose different sound profiles from the drop-down menu to customize the specific tone for each event. After you have selected your preferred sounds, click the OK button to save your changes. It is a good idea to perform a quick paper trade to test if the audio is working correctly. Now you can monitor the markets with confidence.